Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find blocked users on Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Do you want to unblock someone on Discord to give them another chance? They can contact you and send you messages after unblock them. If you need it, you can block them again or take other measure to protect yourself. In this video, I will show you how to find the blocked user on Discord. On my previous video, I've shown you how to block someone, and now I will show you how to find it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now you can just go to settings on the profile in here. Now you can just go to settings by tap on the upper right corner here. Now you can just scroll down. You can find the blocked users in here on the content and social. You can just tap on that. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option blocked account. You can just tap on that. So here's all the blocked account on Discord, and if you want to unblock them, you can just tap on that. So you have unblocked that account from your Discord. You can interact with that account again. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find blocked account on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.